What's up, YouTube fam? Back with another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new, please join the family. Click the post notification bell. Click the bell. So as you guys see, I'm in my PJs. Good morning to everyone. Today's video is a morning vlog. We're gonna do a morning vlog. I'm gonna cook some breakfast and I will show you guys all the breakfast that I'm cooking. But before you do that, like I said, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and come join me so y'all can be notified when I post the video. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm cooking for breakfast, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look.
Alright y'all, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new, come back, enjoy. If you guys been rocking with me since day one, I appreciate you guys, and we about to eat. Enjoy the rest of our day. So peace out, y'all.